Namo Buddhaya. Over the course of a day, we maybe think over 1,000 thoughts, but most of these aren't beneficial for our lives. When we think, we should think about how the Buddha taught us to think. Think about the Buddha's teachings. The Buddha taught us to think in 5 ways, to think often about 5 things. We should think about the fact that we are subject to aging. We will grow very old one day. We should think about the fact that we are subject to sickness. Even if we don't get COVID, we might get cancer one day, or heart disease. And we all have to die one day as well. We have to leave everything and move on. We will also be separated from everyone and everything that is dear to us in this life. So we should remove our attachment to those people and things. And also we are owners of our karma. Whatever good or bad deeds we do, we have to experience the results of that, either in this life or the next. We should often think about these 5 facts. Namo Buddhaya.